So currently on my way to accelerate.
Keep left.
Okay, got my nav going, and I'm running into a little bit of traffic. Looks like
Continue on I-87 south for 12 miles.
So that's weird. Should have showed y'all that. It's just like a stoplight that only lets one car on the on-ramp at a time, which was a little weird. So I'm on my way to accelerate. I'm inside my TLX, A-Spec, white, red interior, and I'm going there really to put a high flow pre-cap on it. Now, it's not too much you can do to these cars, and as you can hear, the car is pretty quiet. So, we're just trying to get a little bit of more hum, a little something out of it. Now, a couple of issues, why, you're probably like, well, why did you get an exhaust, right? Well, mainly because they're all sold out. So, getting close. Looks like approaching this place. I should be getting here soon. It looks
In
like
a quarter mile,
nice
turn
and
left onto Pin Oak Drive.
So we're about to get here. It says in about 1 minute I should be here. So I should be seeing a sign coming up any second.
Take the next left onto Pin Oak Drive, then turn left onto Sycamore Way.
Like the way this is sounding. We're in the middle of nowhere.
Take the next left onto Sycamore Way, then turn right.
Those cars lined up on the outside too. We have arrived.
Your destination is on the right.
Huh? Are you being helped? Yes, I'm here. Thank you. So I'm here. See the Audi's lined up. I know I'm in the right place.
Factory wiring I have. Factory wiring I have. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send you a form.
We can't be out of here soon. So look, he's going for the TLX. Almost didn't have it. So what I'm gonna do is grab it here, and as you can see, he turned on the car and you don't hear nothing. It's so silent, and that's one thing that I want to fix about the car. It's a little bit too silent, so we're gonna get this baby finally working. Garage doors opening up. TLX going in. So I went to go grab something to eat. Went to a local spot. It was a little walk away. And by the time I came back, my car was done. Now, I mean, it wasn't that fast. I was sitting in there in the little loaner car they gave me. Ate a couple snacks and watched a couple podcasts, stuff like that. Then I came back. My car was done. I was like, oh, yeah, that's great. It was probably like it took them like 3 hours, something like that. So it wasn't bad. And as I came back, gave them back their little loaner car key, and then I decided to talk to a couple of people that helped me out throughout the process. Mainly being Craig. Craig is the dude who I was emailing and annoying back and forth. Since they, like I said, are one of the few manufacturers of parts for a TLX, I definitely have a lot of questions for him. Asking them about that exhaust, the one that's coming back, and the J pipe, because I definitely wanted to do the J pipe first. And they're both kind of on like back order, indefinitely at the moment. I think, maybe possibly next year, which is coming up really quickly. So hopefully they'll get those two things in order. But they were very helpful. They even threw in a t-shirt. So, you know, I got my little Accelerate t-shirt, and, you know, they were very great with customer service. Even so much so that I'm about to do this trash pull. And I wish, oh man, I probably was just so excited to get my car back. I did this little trash pull um, that I'm about to show you in a second.
Nice. All right.
Shop.
That's
it.
Look at that. So he did a drive-by. The car feels great. I'm definitely gonna go feel it out a little bit more on the highway because I got a long drive to go. So we're gonna go get started with that. Definitely, when you're over here, holler at Craig.